it, no? In the assignment under Genio, we have the following. Sige, tignan natin, no? Sige, I'll make mention of those who pass the drill, and then we'll ask the others, no? Kasi parang hindi productive yung iba, and I do not know, no? Sige, sample tayo ng 1 or 2 names or na hindi nakapag-drill. Okay? So, tingnan natin, ha? Okay, so if you check this, this was Thursday, no? Okay, everything in green, clear green like Jared, Chael, Charles, Justin, Anna Faith, Natasha, Micaela, Yuka, Ozzy, Aliana May, Phoebe, Aliyah, and Hannah May, Eliana, and Eliza. Okay. So all of them were able to actually beat the time, no? So it is really not a good feeling for you guys, no? You're beating something, okay. See, but it's just a drill, no? Let me see if I can incorporate this, no? Okay, drills are sometimes for me drills are part of the recitation, or could be if a lot of you got this high, I can actually record them, no, formally. Okay, let me check. Oh, let me see. Okay, I haven't checked yet. I have no feedback yet. And then for these ones, okay, M means messenger. They were actually ask my permission or my consideration, no? Okay, so I considered them, though late, there will be minus. Okay, V means very late, no? Messenger late, late, very late. They are Amiel. Tama ba ako? Okay, John Rain, late, late. John Victor, Renz, very late. Simon, late. Samuel, late. And Rafael, very late. Okay. So you see, no? How your efforts are varying, no? They vary actually, no? Okay, others are mindful of their time and were able to actually upload that drill in their Genio. And then this rest, alam nila si Sir Ramel, medyo considerate, no? I can consider. Okay, sige. But what about the others, no? Tingnan po natin. Okay, Miles. Okay. So, FYI ha, last Thursday, no one is absent. Okay? That is why I do not know if what was your reason. You were there, but you were not working, no? Okay. There's letter B and letter D there, no? Okay, I am actually guilty that I gave you all everything without checking first. Why? Because uh, our lesson is actually taught to you partial, no? In partial. Okay, and I mean to say we are what do you call this one? Learning partially how to create sequence of geometric, and then means, no? Partially, and then we do not have yet the series, no? Even this discussed to you the series, we are not still there, no? And I was checking actually the solution. Kasi key answers lang yun eh, no? Sa key answer book namin, manual guide ng teacher. The solution is not there. So, me as a teacher of you, of course, I have to actually check on the solutions, no? If the solutions actually can be actually do or made by you, not do, but made by you, no? Okay, tingnan po natin yung iba. Tingnan natin si isang babae, isang lalaki, no? Okay, Catherine. Okay, si Catherine na lang. Catherine, why? Okay, see, how did you find the drill? Sige, open your mic, anak. Okay. It is for
Um,
everybody, okay? It is for everybody. It's okay. This is just a drill, pero I want to be actually asking you what happened, no? Okay, sige. Yes, Catherine?
I felt pressured the moment you said the Genya was expired. I just went to sleep after.
Mm-mm. Okay, so pressure. They don't like pressure, actually. No, but come to think of this, no, I'll teach you how, no, how pressure is actually overcome by you. Okay, there's a lot of items given, no, for B and D. Okay, so for you to overcome your pressure, at least, no, at least, okay, it will actually, what do you call this one? Lessen your pressure, the tense that you are actually feeling. Think of it that they're not all difficult. Okay, think of it, no? Everybody listen. Think of those drills. They're not all difficult. Okay. And then find out, okay, which items are those. Okay. You do not create a mindset in your mind that math is hard. Okay. Anxiety is there, no? Okay. So your mindset is really anxiety is there always. No, do not. Okay. So Roman is si Roman is sometimes talagang really pressuring you, no? So lucky you talagang uh, every time I count years, I tend to actually not pressure a lot students, no? That heavy. Okay, hindi po. Ayoko na masyado. Okay, last year, nako, kasi matalino si Firma, no? Si Mixie, if you know ate Mixie, matalino talaga si Mixie, sobra, no? So, talagang humanga talaga. And I am pressured by her also. And yun po siya, no? Look at the items, okay, based on the videos I've showed you, and yun po yung delikado dun. It's very delicate to be actually learning by your own with those videos without your teacher teaching you, no? Okay. Because you tend to not listen, to not, what do you call this one? Grasp, no? Because it's just a video. There's no concept being actually uh, taught to you in detail there, no? Parang wala lang, parang ganun lang. Panood nyo yung dalawang videos natin. Pero somehow, no? Meron dapat kayong natutunan doon, no? Kasi nirepeat ko naman siya. Okay? Okay. So who else among boys, no? Ganun po siya, ha? Okay. Again, to lessen that pressure, not all items are difficult. There are, mamaya, sige, tingnan natin mamaya kung ano sinasabi kong easy lang, ha? Okay, sige. How about the boys? Okay, sige, let's see Sean. Okay, Sean, Carlos. Carlos Tulusan, Gab pala. Sorry, okay. Sige. Gab, anong nangyari? Oh, kung hindi umabot, bakit hindi magta-try? Okay? Parang ginawa ng mga ibang boys, no? Most of them are boys here, no? They tried. Ako, baka naman si Sir mabait. Okay, at least. Okay. Bakit hindi pinadala, no? Okay, sige. Hindi ko na kayo pressure pero for the drill next time, okay? Okay, next time, okay? The drill will be, it is genuine still. And if you want to be considered for your work, give you consideration, sige, messenger nyo, no? Walang problema. But uh, I want to achieve, no? We go on having the progress to actually beat time using your genyo. Okay? Naintindihan? Okay. So kaya kung kailangan nyo pa talaga ng time, mag-extend talaga tayo ng time ng math, no? Like if we end 2:10 plus 10 minutes. If we end 12:30 plus 10 minutes for you. Bahala kayo, no? Okay. Okay? Naintindihan po. Hindi po ako yung messenger na lang lahat. Hindi po, no? Okay. there is discipline kasi, no? And having you, no? Answered through Genyo. There is discipline really. Did you get me? Okay. For those who do not have textbook, I'm worrying, no? Okay. Baka kasi ang thinking nyo, mindset nyo is I'm just here in math. Baka naman, Sir Comment, bibigyan ako ng 74. 74, matutuwa kayo. Or 75, tuwan-tuwa na kayo. No, no? So, I am actually recalling the recitations of these past days na, no? And if I recall also, we have the flashcard, okay, in which Anna Faith answered a lot. So I'll give you recitations for those rates, no? After me finalizing it, I'm seeing na meron pong mga 73, no? Okay. Like, you're getting 6 out of 45 monthly exam, no? Sige, may plus 5 kayo dahil nga meron kayong group effort noong PowerPoint review natin, no? Pero it's 11 out of 45 and I'm seeing may 73, ha? Okay, I will not make mention of the name. Okay, baka kasi mapahiya kayo. And you know who you are, ha? Kasi kung hindi nyo po nakita yung grade nyo rito, naku po, okay? Tapos ang dami nyo pong absent, nakapula kayo, nagka-cut class kayo, naku po, may grades po yan, ha? Okay. I might finish actually having the initial grade after monthly exam and the drill last Thursday, and I'm starting to actually chat everyone. Okay? To, naku po, nakikita ko dito, may mga 73, 74, 75 na. Mhm. Okay, so it's very sad, no? Okay, let's discuss fast 144 na yung ating assignment. Okay? So check nyo na lang, ha? Okay, I'll check still your Genyo and your messenger, pero wala na pong hahabol. Okay, let's go. So this is letter B, no? Okay, listen very well now. 3, 6, 9, 12, no? So, in generating really this geometric sequence, what is again our rule? Okay. Our rule is, of course, we should have the first term, no? Okay, ito naman sinasabi. Ito yung first term, pero dito wala. Ito yung first term, no? Okay, pero hindi ko i-apply yan. Okay, kasi nga yung napanood nyo, you can apply that, no? Okay, pwede nyo siyang i-apply. Ito muna siya. Okay. So, in that case, for letter B actually, pinadetermine lang naman sa inyo kung ang items na to from 1 to 5, it's geometric. Okay? Is each geometric, no? Is each item or the, ano bang tawag doon sa English? Okay, tama. Does it, will each item be geometric, no? Sequence? Paano ba, no? 6 divided by 3, 9 divided by 6, 12 divided by 9. Ganun lang naman, no? Okay, everything, you check. Kasi kung kakaligtaan nyo lahat yan, paano kung hindi nagbigay ng common ratio, no? We're looking for the ratio. 9 over 12, 9 over 6, 6 over 3. For that case, number 1, hindi. No. Why? Because 6 over 3 will give you 2. 9 over 6, hello. Hindi na pwede, no? Dun pa lang. Okay. Hindi na kailangan i-pressure yun, no? Okay, no. Wala nang pressure doon. Number 2. 2 divided by 1. 4 divided by 2. Okay. That is the meaning of, again, this one, no? Ratio. This means this is the last item or this is your present over the preceding, no? Okay. Hindi pwedeng mauna yung tawag nito, yung 1 over 2. Dapat 2 over 1, 4 over 2. Pag-go back, no? Okay. This is A sub of n. This is A sub of n minus 1. Okay. So it's the present over the preceding or the last term over the preceding, laging gano'n, no? Pabaliktad. Okay, parang common difference din. Okay, number 2, it's yes na kaagad because 2 consecutive terms will give you common ratio. Madali lang po, ha? Okay. So 2 over 1, 4 over 2. Negative 8 over 4 will give you negative 2. Ang dali lang, no? Ang dami nakakuha sa inyo yan. 16 over negative 8 will give you negative 2. And then, okay, bilisan nyo lang mag-divide, no? It is but division. If you want, if it's multiplication, it is. Okay? You reverse it. Division, multiplication, whatever you want. 4 times negative 2, it's a negative 8. Negative 2 times a negative 8, it's 16. 16 times negative. Okay, nakuha? Okay, ulitin ko lang. Wala pong masama sa pagtatanong, no? Walang problema dyan. Ratio is really, no? The current term, patalikod, go back, preceding. And then you have the ratio. What do you want to do with the ratio, no? Of course, it's you multiply the current. Okay, ito na siya. Ito yung preceding. Okay, hindi na siya current. Preceding, you have the ratio. Okay, pag ganun siya, no? Okay, ito yan eh. Divide, multiply. Multiply, divide. Okay? Naintindihan? Oh, ito siya, oh. Cross-multiply din lang naman yan eh. Ibig sabihin nito, huwag kayo malito dyan, Diyos ko po. Minsan, formula ay difficult, no? Pag hindi nyo bibigyan ng practice, no? Yung formula na yun, isa lang ibig sabihin nun. Okay? Okay, yung division dyan, sino mauuna? Okay, tapos yung multiplication dyan, sino na mauna ngayon? Preceding na muna, no? Preceding times the ratio. May ratio ka na nga eh. Makukuha mo na yung susunod na term. Naintindihan? Okay, number 4 is yes. Okay, 2 over 4 is 1 half or 0.5. Okay, so 0.5, kalahati ng 2, it's 1. Kalahati ng 1, it's 0.5. Sunod-sunod na yan. Yes. Okay, how about 5? It's no. Okay, so if you divide x plus 1 over x, it will give me 1 plus 1 over x. That is my ratio. And if I'm going to actually multiply that ratio in here, I cannot find this. I cannot solve for this and for that. No, it's not. No. So common ratio for that is 1 plus 1 over x. Naintindihan? Okay? Ano pa ba? How about 6? Okay, tingnan natin yung 6. Find the common ratio and give the next terms of the sequence. 5. 5 terms, ha? Okay, sige. So, dito, of course, yung number 1, wala na yun. Non-geometric sequence yun, no? It's a not geometric sequence. Number 2 na tayo. So, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Just multiply 16 by 2. It's a common ratio. Where did you get it that again? Until now, hindi ko na alam. Hindi nyo pa rin maintindihan. 151. Okay, and then generate this, no? It's easy, no? Okay. This is the next 5 terms after 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think a lot of you made this. Okay, how about number 3? Okay. So it's easy, no? Negative 8 divided by 4, it's a negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 32 will give me 64. But negative 2 is my common ratio. Generate that by multiplying. Next. Okay, 0.5 is my ratio. 0.25 times 0.5 will give me this, no? Kahit wala na yung 000 sa dulo. Okay, it's 0.125, it's enough. 0.0625, it's enough. Okay, 0.013125, it's enough. And so on and so forth. I think a lot of you got this. It's easy, no? But, okay, the challenging part would be the 7, no? Give the general rule for the geometric sequence. The general rule for the arithmetic sequence, it's really computing. Okay, for geometric, there is no computing. It's but trial and error, really. Okay? Okay, let us See how trial and error is done in this general rule for geometric sequence. Okay, observe. Okay, so I am using either this one or this one, no? Okay, where is this coming from again? These are but your this one, no? Okay, and this is the same. Okay, they're the same, no? Okay, the difference is that this is preceding times the ratio. Okay, the two consecutive, no? Two consecutive will be created, no? The preceding and the next term will be just created by multiplying your ratio to the preceding. Okay, it will give you that one. And then this one, it is but the first term. It's always related to the first term. And then the number of terms is important. And the ratio is there. This one, no? Okay, so this one. Okay, sige, let's see how it works. If I'm going to have my first term, based from here, it's 4. 4. And then, my ratio, it's a negative 2. And then, raise it to n minus 1 because of this, no? Okay, sige. My final answer will be this one. Okay, it's but all trial and error. Okay, what is negative 1 doing there? Negative 1 is, okay, we go back to the sequence and series, no? When we actually let ourselves introduce, no? First. Okay, so we go back to the first introduction of the sequence and the series. Negative 1 is your alternating sequence. Negative, 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 alternating yan, no? And then n minus 1, let's check, no? It's okay to raise it to n without the minus 1. But what is the effect? Okay, let's think. Okay, so this one now, if you have n minus 1 here and you have the negative 2, 4 is really disregarded as the first term. But you need to actually have the factors of 2 as your ratio, no? Ratio has factors 1 and 2. But that negative 1 is for the alternating signs, and it's taking n minus 1. Okay, so take note, n minus 1, it's 0. Or 1, okay. N minus 1, we begin with 1, it's 1 minus 1, it's 0, no? So 0, as an exponent for that negative 1, does not have an effect, no? It's but 1, okay? So it means to say, your first term, it's positive. It's not a negative, no? It's 0, eh? Okay, 0. And negative 1 raised to 0, it's 1, okay? All negative raised to 0, it's 1. So there is no bearing, see? But what about n plus 1? This is how you try your trial and error, okay? Okay, if it stays 2 raised to n, but that is 4, no? We begin with 1. 2 raised to n, which is 1, as the start, will be what? 2, no? Okay, it will give you 2. 2 times 2 times a positive 1 will give you a positive 2. But this one is a 4. So you tend to actually add 1. N plus 1 becomes 2. Okay, n plus 1, start with 1. 1 plus 1, it's 2. 2 raised to 2, it's a 4. So you play with the exponent. This is where trial and error really begins. Okay, raising your exponent. Okay, again, negative 1 and 2 is coming from here, or negative 2, not from here, no? So this one is just but a guide, but A1 is disregarded, and this one does not count at all, no? It will not count at all, because this is the preceding, okay? Which is the preceding in here. Maraming preceding dyan, except for a first term, no? These are the precedings. Preceding na rin ng first term, no? Okay, preceding lahat yan when you talk about the next term. Okay, let's go. Did you get me? Okay, this is a trial and error. It is not the same as arithmetic sequence general rule. Okay. Nakuha? Okay, so it is trial and error. It's very difficult. Thumbs up po kayo kung naintindihan niyo, no? Okay, trial and error talaga yun. Next. Okay. Oh, lalo na ito. Mahirap na naman, no? Ito tayo sa number 3. Ay, bakit nandito ako? Okay, number 2 muna tayo pala dapat. Number 3 na ako kaagad. Okay, for this one, you notice, no, I use this. I use that, no? And then, what is ratio? It's 2 n minus 1. Oh, wala ka lang intindihin, no? Disregard 1. Okay. Disregard 1. You can generate the first term even if it's 1 in having this, no? All you need is a ratio, which is 2 over 1, 4 over 2. It's 2. And then, n minus 1, it really helps now, no? From r raised to n minus 1. Okay, start with 1. 1 minus 1, it's 0. 2 raised to 0 is a 1, no? So this satisfies the first term. And then, next term, 2 minus 1, it's 1. 2 raised to 1, it's 2. And then, and so on and so forth. So, this really is guiding you, the r raised to n minus 1. Remember that, no? Okay, and then number 4. Okay, you check. So, I have this again, no? N minus 1 seems a guide there. Okay, but I'm adjusting n minus 1 pabaligtad. Okay. Pag mauna yung number minus n, it gives you this, no? Okay. So 2, 3 minus n. Bakit kaya binaligtad ni sir? Tingnan natin. Okay, pero hindi siya minus 1. It's 3. 3 minus 1, we start with 1. It's 2, no? So 2 raised to 2 is 4. 3 minus 2, it's 1. 2 raised to 1, it's 2. But 3 minus 3, okay, 3 na tayo for the third term. It is 0. 2 raised to 0 is 1. And then this one, 3 minus, where are we now? 4. This is the fourth term. 3 minus 4 is a negative 1. 2 raised to negative 1 is, hello, recall po natin, 2 raised to negative 1 is, okay, make it a positive, go down, no? Reciprocal of 2, it's 1 over 2. Bababa siya, 1 over 2. So it's 0.5, no? So 2 raised to negative 1 is really equal to 1/2, no? And then and so forth. 3 minus 5, it's negative 2. That is 1/4, no? Kasi nga 2 raised to negative 2 is 1/4. Naalala niyo pa ba yun? Sulat kayo, 2 raised to negative 2. Paano tinuro ni Ma'am Mariah to nung grade 9 kayo, no? May bababa lang siya. Reciprocal of it, no? 1 over 2 raised to 2, it's 1/4. And so on. So, ito siya. Trial and error po talaga yan. Next, 2 o'clock na. Naintindihan? Okay, trial and error po yan. Nagtatagal talaga kayo dyan. That is why I asked you this, no? When I was absent, Wednesday. And then if you were just doing that, when it was given to you the following day, Thursday, it will really eat your time. Pressure is there. Did you get me? Okay, that is why if you hear from me, practice this. Try to answer, but it's not an assignment. Okay? So there is what readying, no? You must ready yourself. It's like that, no? Okay, try this. Pag meron talaga akong try this. Okay, let's go now. Saan na tayo, class? Okay, dito naman tayo, no? Okay, can I generate this? It's easy, no? Okay. My first, it's 6. Oh, times 3, it's 18. Times 3, 54. Times 3, 162, 486. And then I stop at what? No? And 6. Okay. Ito ay 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I will not get 6 anymore. But this is misleading, no? Find 3 terms. Okay, if I'm going to actually edit this, hindi papasa sa akin itong libro na to talaga. Find 3 terms between. But this is 4, no? It is ugly. No? No one actually dare to actually proofread this if there is wrong. Okay? Okay, because A1 is the first term and AN is the last term, and last term is N6 or A6 rather, no? A6. Okay, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is 4 terms already in between. Find 3 terms between. Hay naku, okay, ang liblong to, hindi ko maintindihan. Number 2, okay, first term is not there, but I can create the series, sorry, the sequence because of the negative 2 ratio. Negative 2 times 5, it's a negative 10, no? Okay, this negative 10 now. Times negative 2 is 20, negative 2. Okay, dapat hanggang dyan lang. Dito hanggang 162 lang dapat. And kung ano-ano na lang binibigay nito. Okay. And then, ito yung sabi nila ng libro na sagot daw. Okay, sige. Let me check on your work na lang. No? I'll give you points. And then, next. Okay na tayo ha, number 2. This one is related to the next topic. My God, 7 minutes na lang. Okay, sige, bonus na to. 3, 4, 5, you don't need to answer it. I myself is having difficulty for 4 and 5. 1 and 2, of course, have answered that. Didn't you? Email. Okay, nakuha? Okay, so ako mismo magsasolve din ako. 1 and 2 lang ang dapat nyo ibigay sa akin dyan. Okay, let's go. Next topic. Huwag nyo nang pilitin yan. Dahil ako mismo nagsusolve, tinitignan ko, hindi ko talaga siya kaya. Okay, 1 and 2 lang talaga kakayanin nyo dyan. 3 and 4 and 5 will be related to the next lesson, which is geometric series. Ayan, sige. Give me 6 minutes. Okay, pero I was seeing, I was seeing talaga ano tawag yun, si John Rain. Pilit niyang kinukuha ito, natuwa ako, no? Ito lang. Okay. Makakakuha siya ng geometric means dito. Okay. 5, ang ginawa niya is 5 times 20, it's 100. Since nakikita niya na sa gitnang-gitna ito, 5 times 100, 20 is 100. There is but square root of 100, which is 10. Nakuha niya to. Ito, yan. Yan. Pag nakikita ako sa inyong nakaka-apply noong tinuturo ko, namamangha ako, ha? Okay. So, in-apply lang ni John Rain ito, no? Ito. Ayan. Intindihan? Okay. So, ulitin ko lang yon. Bumalik lang ako doon. Sabi ko doon sa ito yan, no? Sa 5 na yon. Sabi ko nga walang sagot yan. Okay. Pero may nagpumilit lang. Let's go. 5 minutes. This is your geometric series and you have to actually be acquainted with this one, no? What does this mean? Okay. If I'm going to actually add 2, no? And then my ratio will be what? Next term will be ratio, it's 2. Okay, so 2 times 2. I could generate this, no? Okay, up to 32. Then this is my first, second, third, fourth, fifth term. I'll add that. It is but 62, no? Okay. So I have geometric sequence here. If I'm going to add the terms, it gives me the geometric series, right? It's 62 dapat, no? Okay, add nyo lahat yan. 2 plus 4 plus 8, it's 14. Plus 16, it's 30. Plus 32, it's 62. Okay, manual adding, no? But what if this is presented to you this way, no? Look for the series, okay? S5, okay? S subscript 5 of this given, no? Okay, terms are 2, 4, 8, and then blank, blank. Okay. Or, A first is given and ratio is given. Okay. How do I do it? Of course, you can use this. Okay? So, substitute, there is but first term. Okay. So, magkaiba po ito, ha? Okay. Hindi po yan magkapareho. sabihin nyo magkapareho. Ito po sa blue, it's not the same as the white. They're different, no? Okay. Blue is not the same as white. This is another situation. This is another situation. Okay. So I have only 2, 4, 8. Can I solve my series? Yes. First series, it's 2. 1 minus ratio should be actually solved by you. 4 over 2, it's 2, no? Raised to, since we are looking for 5, it's R2 raised to 5. Okay, and then 1 minus 2. Why 2 again? 4 over 2, 8 over 4. And if the statement is saying this is a geometric sequence, then you can find actually geometric series because it's a geometric sequence. Did you get it? Okay, for white, this is the only given. It's okay, no? Given it's 2. Okay, stating it's really geometric sequence, you can solve for series. And then ratio, it's 2. Ito lang po ang given. It's okay, no? Ratio, it's 2. But you're looking for 5 terms. You're adding the 5 terms. So R raised to 5. Okay, so 2 parenthesis 1 minus 2 raised to 5 over 1 minus 2. Okay, and then this one is S5. You can solve this, no? Okay, trying to find out if that formula, if you replace everything, substitute everything which are given there in here, you can compute for 62 value, adding the 5 first terms, no, of this given. Okay, let's go. Next. How about applying this, no? Okay. What's the difference of this one? 1 minute na lang ako. What's the difference of this one to this one? Okay, sige. Check. The difference is that in here, you do not have the last term, no? Whereas in here, you do have the last term. Okay? So, third and fourth, none. Okay? So, again, this is another case, and this is another case also, no? Okay, so blue case, let's see. A1 is given. That's the first term. We're looking for the S5. Okay, so summing up 5 first terms, no? Or first 5 terms rather. First 5 terms. Okay, can you? Yes. Okay, first term it's 2. Ratio it's 4 over 2, no? Not 32 over blank. Will 32 over blank gives you ratio? None, okay? Blank is not a value. But 4 over 2, it's a 2, no? 4 over 2 is a 2 minus 2. And then AN means it's the last term. Okay, so 2, it's A1. AN is the last term, not the next term, huh? So you come to think of that always, huh? It depends on the situation. AN means it could be the next term, okay, it could be the present term, okay. It varies, depending on the situation. But for this one, AN in the series, it's the last term. Did you get it? AN, A subscript N. That's 32. Okay, and then 2 times 32 is there, then 1 minus 2. Okay, did you get that? So you can solve this, no? Gives you 62. Okay, try to have that. So S5 is equal to, and then this one naman, okay, white. Okay, first term is there. Okay, and then the fifth term is given, no? Okay. And then ratio, it's 2. You can apply this. Okay? Nakuha. Naintindihan. Okay. So, ganun po siya, no? So, these two are not different, but they are the same. Okay? Sometimes, it will confuse you, no? What formula to be used. But, try to be actually practicing a lot, no? May mga items dyan, and you can apply those formula. Did you get me? Okay, nakuha. Okay, madali lang ba? Okay. So, I made this so clear to you. I do not know if you're going to actually screenshot that, no? For you to be able to actually 62 po yan ha, sagot nyo, no? So, sige, replace everything. And then, that is basic. And then you go over the examples of the textbook and you find that those examples are very hard, no? Meron pa nga, kinukuha yung ratio, hirap-hirap, meron pang root, Diyos ko po, to the 8th root, okay? Okay, it's complicated already. That is why, sabi ko, the book is uh, starting with the complex examples, whereas hindi dapat, no? For the series, ha? I'm saying for the series. Okay, sige. Ganun lang po siya, no? Okay, so everything, ratio is connected with the first term, could be the last term also, or last term could also not exist there, and you could solve with those formula. Ha? Okay, sige na. 13 na kasi eh. Continue natin tomorrow. Wait lang po.